Hey, I'm trying to go slow here.
Beep, beep.
Trying to make this as scale as possible. This thing is great. It's got so much torque. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got Clayton with me here for this one today.
What's up, everybody?
We're going to be reviewing the three little crawlers. What's the scale on these?
This one is a 1/18 scale.
18 scale, yeah, they are 18. So this one,
I believe that's
does it not say? Yeah, they're probably both the same. I mean, these look almost
They're
identical.
both the same boxes, just different graphics.
And then this one probably is too, right?
That's a
1/24. Okay, so this one's smaller. These are not available on IMEXRC.com quite yet, but the reason we're reviewing them is because we are thinking about picking some up for the site. So when that time comes, I will let you know.
Yep.
Let's get started. Which one do you want to do first?
Let's do this one first.
So which one is that? The 18th scale Cherokee.
This one, to be honest, I feel like is the most promising because of just the way the box looks.
That thing looks awesome.
So here we go. We got the teal color, green color.
That's pretty cool, man.
This feels like a real crawler here because you have the gear reduction to no differentials.
Portal axles, no portal axles.
You have your battery included with it, brushed motor, 2-1 ESC receiver combo. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And then you have lights on it too, right up in there. So you could just unplug that if you need to remove the body. But yeah,
it looks pretty good.
Yeah,
it looks good. All right, moving on, we have the Rigid. This is probably the exact same thing. It does have a different manufacturer on it, but these all come from the same factory typically.
They do.
So
yeah,
let's open it up, see what this one looks like. I don't expect it to be any different.
Yep, same thing.
Same thing. So that's like a older version of like a, we're not going to say the name. I think it's pretty obvious what they look like. And this is like a modern day version. Ooh, that's a tough call. Which one would be better? It just really depends on your liking. But
yeah, to be honest.
Same thing here. You just come.
This one feels heavier though.
This one feels heavier?
Yeah, yeah.
It does feel heavier. You're
so,
right.
I feel like this would perform better for a crawling because you want more weight down on the bottom, so you don't roll over as much.
All right, cool. Let's get this out of the way, and we'll move on to. I think we might agree this one's the cool-looking one.
Yes. There we go. Let's see. This box is kind of heavy.
This one's brushless.
It is. It is brushless.
These are not, right? These were brushed, correct?
Those two are brushed. But brushless could be too much power for trying to be a crawler.
That's true.
So we'll have to see. Okay? There's more stuff on the bottom of this box. There we go.
Cool. Oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah, this one's pretty sweet. I actually like this already.
So that's like the size. Is that? These are actually even smaller than that still, right? So there's no stickers on it, right? You got to put stickers on?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you get the stickers with it in the package. You have your charger, your little toolkit, some spare shot spacers, your controller in here. This controller actually seems pretty nice.
4-wheel steering.
Oh.
Does it have 2 servos? Wait.
This is not 4-wheel steering.
The rear wheels and front wheels of the 4-wheel steering system participate in steering together. Oh, limited to Pro version. Wait a minute, this is not the Pro version. It's possible that I didn't take the Pro version, so limited to Pro. So see if that is a brushless motor, because this one says here limited to Pro. So if it's got a brushless inside, then it's Pro.
Yeah.
It looks like a brushed motor to me.
A brushed motor?
Yep. So,
Yeah,
all right, so this is not the Pro version, guys. I'm sorry.
Oh, dang.
I will have to look and see if I can get my hands on the Pro version. I might have just taken the wrong one. It's possible they were both there, but I'm really not sure. So stay tuned for that. All right, I think we'll just charge up the batteries now and head out to the track in the backyard and see how these things are.
Yep.
We are in the backyard at our little track here. It's actually been just under a year or so since we were last here. And there's been like 2 hurricanes and looks like the track actually survived. So we're gonna test all 3 of these out on it and see how it goes. So I think, which one should we start with first?
The little side by side. So the nice thing about this one, you actually have a transmission on here. So it's in first gear right now, which you're gonna wanna use for crawling. And then you have neutral.
Oh, so you can rev your motor?
Yep. And then pop it into second gear. Now you have a little more speed, but I'm stuck right now.
That thing's quick.
It is. But again, when you're crawling, you're gonna want first gear, so you have all that torque. And all right, let's see how this does. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, that was perfect.
It's got pretty good clearance, it looks like, too. And I don't think it needs portal axles just because of the way the body is.
I went through all that first try. That was great.
All right, so we're gonna take the Snow Leopard and try to go over the Cherokee and the Rigid. Uh-oh. Ah, almost.
Let's see how it does going up.
There, gotta be moved. This is actually really tough to get up right here in general, so if it can do it, I'll be impressed. Okay, it went right up.
Dude, I did it.
You did it. So I think the hardest part of our course is this right here. And the Snow Leopard was actually able to make it up the first time. He struggled a little bit this time around. Let's see if these guys have the same issues. The first thing I'm noticing on the Rigid here is it actually has a LED light bar in the front. That's actually really cool.
Yeah.
So let's check on the Cherokee over here. Let's see what some of these buttons do. All right, so we have quite a few buttons. Which one's the lights is what I want to know. Okay, so there's your... I don't know how to turn the lights on. Oh, it's got working blinkers.
All right, so it has 3 speed settings on here. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. One thing I noticed is the lights work with the controller. So like when you hit the brakes, brake lights come
Oh,
on.
I see, so. I don't know how to turn the headlights on this one. All right, no problem. Let's go ahead and let's just run the course. This thing's got a good amount of torque.
It does.
And you can do one-handed driving, which is always good. Oh, and you got the creep. Creep is important with these micro crawlers, guys. Oh, that's how you get those real scale looking. It's near silent too. It's been a while since we've had any crawling on the channel. Ah,
It's not bad, to be honest.
No, they're
it's actually pretty good.
I agree. It feels, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels good.
It feels good for sure. Like
don't-
I have control over this.
I mean, we've barely gone any distance here and we've been going super slow. That's how slow this low gear actually is. And it locks nice too. Like it doesn't free roll or anything.
Okay, so mine has the control to where you can control the lights on the front.
See, mine, I don't know why, but these lights aren't turning on. So whatever this button is, it's just not working.
You got it, you got it. There you go.
I might like this more than the FMS, dude.
Yeah, me too.
That's saying a lot. Because those FMS ones are pretty darn good.
They are. I mean, even a drag brake is good.
That's what I was saying a minute ago. You let go and it locks right up.
Yeah.
I mean, I've gone about 5 feet in a minute. That's how slow this gearing is. It's great. Now, I didn't try the Snow Leopard. What do you think compared to the Snow Leopard?
To the smaller one?
Yeah.
This I have more precise control with it. The side-by-side one, I'm just gonna call it side-by-side because that's what it looks like. I really like it for the size. It's really good for that. I'm curious to see how the brushless one is though.
Right.
See how that compares up against the brushed one.
We'll have to try to get a hold of that. I think I could probably do it, but I just have to see. Maybe it was there and I just didn't even know. Hey, I'm trying to go slow here.
Beep, beep.
Trying to make this as scale as possible. This thing is great. It's got so much torque. I mean, that's really good.
That is really good. I like that.
Man, I have to be honest. This is, FMS needs to watch out because I would say it's better than the TRX4 as far as gearing goes, because the TRX4 only has 1 gear. You can get more gears for it, but it's fast. You can't crawl slow. FMS only has 2 speeds. This one has literal crawling, mid-range, and then high speed. So I'm gonna try again now on the middle setting.
All right, I'm gonna go into gear number 2. Let's go over to hard bridge.
You all right over there?
Yeah, just trying to.
Are you feeling okay there?
Yeah, just no grip right now. There we go.
Yeah, it's too fast on this.
But the fast mode doesn't really crawl that good.
Yeah, it doesn't. I really like this slow
never
crawling.
does.
No.
Same thing with the FMS crawlers. Like, if you put them into the second gear, they're not going to crawl that good. The first gear is the gear that you really want to be in for crawling. So I'm going to go back to gear 1.
I mean, slow is what it's all about, in my opinion. Clayton's causing issues over here. He's messing around.
Uh-oh.
It's really that little vine that's causing issues.
Yeah.
It's not lined up right. Hard bridge is definitely hard. You got to be lined up perfectly for it. The vines, man. The vines got to go. Now, this is where all of the crawlers have struggled, especially the trucks, because the body's hit.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Come on,
Yeah.
come on. You got it. Let's go. All right, keep it steady. Oh.
I mean, pretty good.
Yeah,
That was pretty good. You want to switch?
Sure. I'm gonna be honest right now with this one right here. I think some different tires would definitely help because those tires grip better.
So they're actually different tires? I didn't even notice.
No, they look like they're the same tires. I'm just not sure.
Maybe it's something to do with the weight.
Yeah, something, because this one doesn't grip as good as that one does.
Just wants to fall over trying to turn right over here. We're gonna do high speed runs now, so go ahead and show me how fast the snow leopard goes. Oh wow, that's quick. That's really fast. Looks like it handles the dirt no problem. Well, sand, I should say. Which one's your favorite? Because I'm liking the green one. You like the snow leopard?
I like this one. And then the yellow's my
Yellow.
second.
That's interesting. So I like the green one. He likes the yellow one and the snow leopard. The snow leopard is good. I tried it off camera. It's actually not too bad. All right, ready, set, go. It's not crazy fast. I feel like this is the stock speed for like a TRX4.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, last test right here, guys. What is the climbing angle before it falls? You want to try that one first?
Yep.
All right, see how the snow leopard does. Okay.
Not bad, not bad.
I think that's all she's got.
Yep.
I would love to see something climb straight up this.
No.
All right, let's try the last one. I think it's about the same.
I'm gonna try that again.
So what do you think?
I like them.
I mean, I don't know the exact price on these guys. We're working on that. I think inevitably IMXRC is probably going to sell them because I'm going to go deliver the news that they seem to be worth it. I mean, we don't know a durability test, but I guarantee you they're going to be much cheaper than the leading brands. 3 speeds is cool. It's got lights, and I think the price point is definitely going to be lower, but I can't say for sure. So I think that is about it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching. We'll see you in the next one. Later.